Hello everyone. This is Mimi from the blog Iamnotastylist. And oh, I know, you've probably missed me. That's because I've been training for a new job that I just got this past month. And well, now that that training is over, I actually have time to blog again. And for this installment of the new blog, I'm going to be talking about this product. This ultra new product from L'Oreal. It's the L'Oreal Unbelieve a Brow. I believe that this product is a dupe for the high-end, oh man, it was just on my mind, Wonder Brow. And also maybe even a dupe for the one by Makeup Revolution, their liquid eyebrow product. I have never tried the Wonder Brow. It's expensive. I have tried the one from Makeup Revolution. It's kind of hard to work with, very thick and very heavy. But if you use a separate brush to apply it rather than the makeup brush that it comes from, it's a beautiful product. It doesn't wear off and it lasts a really long time. As you can see, I have no brows. But since I haven't even opened this yet, I have no idea what it's like. And it is so new, I don't think anyone else has reviewed it. So let's see what this is and see what it's like. I'm going to go ahead and open it now. I literally just got this. So let's see what it contains. I ordered this from Amazon, and I believe it was between $10 and $12. I'll put it in the comments below how much I paid for it. This is the tube, and as I suspected, looks very similar to the one by Makeup Revolution. I got the color. What color is this? No. I don't know what color. Oh, dark brunette. Dark brunette is number 575. I actually wanted the shade lighter than this, but I'm actually kind of glad I didn't get that if I can get it open so I can show you the color, because this looks kind of ashy brown, which is the color I like to use on my brows. And it's got the same kind of applicator as the BH Cosmetic, as the Makeup Revolution one. Let's see what the product is like. Test it on my hand so you can see what it looks like. It's a little thinner consistency, a taupey dark brown color, not black. Yeah, it looks like it's an easier product to work with because it's not so color dense and thick. Let's see, the picture I saw also had this coming with a brush. Let's see. Oh yeah, there is a brush. Standard brush with a spoolie. That's good because I need to replace mine. And I don't mind these, the ones that come with cosmetics. I think they work really well. So as you can see, I'm not wearing anything on my brows. I have my trusty mirror right here that I'm going to use to look in to paint these suckers on so I can tell you what I think. I know, that light. That's just so I can see. I'm doing my best. I'm using a camera. Should really do this side first so I don't cover my face. Ooh, I'm glad I got this color because it's exactly the color I like for my brows. I believe the shade I wanted to buy would have been too light. Oh wow, this is nice. It's really not a dense, overly pigmented formula. Oh, this is nice. This is very, very nice. It blends very nicely. See how it does in the front. Because as you can see, I thickened my tail because I don't really have one. And I like a straighter brow, so I like to straighten the inside arch out. This is going to dramatically reduce the time that I spend on my eyebrows. I can already tell this because most of my makeup routine is filling these in to look like they grow evenly, which they don't. One is much thinner than the other. One has no tail and the other one is thick, and it's not because I plucked them. That's just the way they are. I do pluck them a little bit because they grow so unevenly and so patchy to try to straighten them, but I don't pluck them to shape them at all. Try to change the way they grow. Oh wow, that's really nice. Without product. Looks really natural with product. And I have very dark hair because I have very little eyebrow hair. I like to fill my eyebrows in to look natural, and I like to color them in with a color that is lighter than my actual hair, and take a brow mascara that is the color of my hair to highlight the hairs that I actually have. I'm using this Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer in Deep Brown by Maybelline. It's a very dark, dense color. I'd say it's black. I don't like the brush, but I like the product. Like, I'd give the brush an F. But this Maybelline Wonder Brow product is really good. See? No product. Product. Oh, this is great. I love this. And I like to brush the front part of my eyebrows up. It just makes them look thicker and more dense. Product. No product. Product. No product. Oh, wow. Okay, well, my thoughts on the Wonder Brow. I do the, not Wonder Brow, Unbelieva Brow. I don't recommend painting your eyebrows on with the brush. You're not going to get a good result. Like the applicator brush right out of the tube. It's, the colors run lighter than their names. Like, this is dark brunette, and I would have thought it would have been a lot darker than this. It's kind of a taupey ash brown. So if you went darker than that, I would suggest black, the next darker color, which I think is black. And it does what it says. It really does make a wonderful brow. I'm impressed. So I give this product a 2 thumbs up, and hopefully I will have more reviews for you. I'm going to challenge myself to make a review. Let me turn out this light. Of something for you every day next week, Monday through Friday. I'm going to try. Hopefully I can do it. That is my goal for myself. And you can follow me on my blog, Iamnotastylist, and on Instagram at CyberKiwiAloha. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.